do black so I can have a color picker. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a 1-hour coding challenge. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes to start brainstorming. That timer starts now.
Okay, so while I'm doing that, let me explain the rules of this challenge. I have 15 minutes to search for ideas on what to make. If I don't come up with ideas in that time span, I'll have to, improvise.
Usually when I want to go brainstorm something, I go to Wix for website templates. Just because it's like kind of just a good place to start. I don't really know what to make. Oh my gosh, I only have 15 minutes too, so just gonna have to kind of scroll and see what I can find.
I also have 3 additional rules to the 1-hour time limit. 1. I have to use vanilla HTML, CSS, and or JavaScript. This means I can't use libraries like Pug, Sass, or jQuery to make things easier for me. Not that I know how to use them.
Why do I do this? I just want like a dark and purple theme, just kind of like that. I'm gonna go search for some other stuff.
2. The website has to be responsive. When a website is responsive, it means it is able to be viewed on all devices. Sounds easy? It's not. First of all, there are so many different devices and screen sizes varying from a TV to a mobile phone. Secondly, I'm not too great at responsive design in the first place. I can't make a page too responsive, and that's when I have all the time in the world.
What? I feel like, is this supposed to be like this? I don't know. Is this supposed to be font 8? What's font 8? Yeah, no, that's not supposed to be like, yeah, what?
And finally, 3. I can't use parallaxes. Parallaxes are an effect used by web developers to make a page more interesting, or at least the type I'm talking about. Sorry, astronomers. The most basic form is 2 elements that move at different speeds, like a fixed image and scrollable content. If you don't already know, that type of parallax is the main thing with most of the projects I make. And I can't use it or any other form of parallax. To be clear, I can still add public domain images. I just can't add a parallax to them. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get back to me struggling.
No, I'm gonna just put like this type of theme, but put it in this page. I don't think this one's too popular, but I'm fine with that. Okay, time's up. Alright, I gotta set a 1-hour timer now. The time starts now. Alright, first I'm gonna delete this, replace it with a paragraph. Make this instead of that. Make the typical margin 0 padding. It's just to like reset everything and work with a clean slate. Hello. Welcome. Yay. Do black so I can have a color picker pop up. There we go. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I can work with that. I should probably start with like putting this into let's see how this looks first. Just see how it looks. Maybe what if I made it more magenta-ish? Just see how it looks. You can't even tell the difference. Okay, well. Okay, root. Let's just do a flex display for good measures. I probably won't need this, but like, why not? So they got this nice big title here. I'll do something like that. I still need to find a font. Oh my gosh, I'll spend like an hour just musing in Google Fonts, just trying to find the right one. Hello, welcome. Let's go with this one. I was like eyeing that thing for a few seconds right there. Oh, this actually doesn't look too bad. Just this first part, let's make it a separate div. I don't know what to call it yet. A giant. Oh, that's too big. That's a bit too big. You know, I think I'm gonna do like the little down arrow things because I like that. Oh wait, I could have. I hate myself sometimes. Down arrow. There's like a Replit creates thing for August, and one of the prompts is to do a story. I was gonna do it, but then I figured that I can't code that in one day, but maybe I could do like a little copy and pasty. Actually, I want to make the button bigger. Just for good measures. Yay, see, it's bigger now. It's all good. It's bigger. It's giant. When you hover over it, it'll go down a little bit. Hello, welcome. This is gallery of all my stories. Hope you enjoy it. Basically, I'm gonna like list 5 stories, and oh my gosh, there's 35 minutes left. And every time you click on it, just leads to a new page. Yep, that's the idea. I forgot, how did I made a similar thing to this, and I'm gonna go open up an older program. Let's make this a hashtag for now, which is just gonna lead you back to the top of the page. 'Cause, yeah, I haven't actually added pages yet. Display grid. I'm gonna kind of just copy what I did here because I don't remember. I haven't used grid in a long time. I still have to make this responsive, for goodness sake, and I can't. I don't know. I haven't. This looks weird. Don't question it. I'll fix it. So then I gotta create some new pages. Story 1. I only have 3 more minutes. There's not much to do in 3 minutes. I'll work on this off camera just to see how it goes. You guys can check this out if you have Replit, like I said. But I hope you guys like this. I only have 2 minutes left, but I feel like I'm gonna stop my timer right there. Exactly at 2 minutes. I think that's it. I will add all of these later. I just don't think I have enough time to add everything I wanted in 1 hour. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi, everyone! This is awkward. Sorry for not posting in a while, but, you know, there's this thing called life, and it's been kind of keeping me busy lately. But hopefully by the time this video is out, I'll be able to post more often. But, no promises, because life. If you can, please leave a comment down below of what you think of this video. I'm still trying to figure out what works for me and what doesn't, so I'd love to hear some input. Also, subscribe? Look, I don't know how to end these things, okay? Okay, you know what? Bye.